Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today this is gonna be like a hand-me-down what I got from my mother-in-law. I figured that this would be kind of like a random video but also kind of cool. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First thing I'm seeing is something flannel. It's a very cute flannel shirt. I hope y'all can see it. I'm fixing to try this on. Alright, next one. This is in large. And I've been wanting little sweaters like this that are thin. So super cute. Love this. I'm seeing something like forest green. Oh, this is a cute one. I can already tell. It looks like it's embellished with seagulls on there. Can you see that? And it's got buttons. Super plain, but very cute. Alright, next thing that we've got is something that I think is like Freddy Krueger cute, but it's got stripes, navy blue stripes with green. It's a long sleeve, also very plain, but adorable. Also another long sleeve, it's white, off-white. It's got like these little fringes on the front, really cute with some buttons, some little round buttons. Alright, ooh, oh, this is so cute. Not really my style, but I'm sure I can make it work. This is like my mother-in-law's style right here, kind of country, southern. This one feels nice and cozy. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this. It's a navy blue. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's like in the material. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like glitter material or so. I don't know. But it is also a long sleeve. And you can see that it's kind of got like ridges. Do you see what I mean? This is adorable. Or plaid. I love plaid. Looks like it has like a bleached look to it, but I think it adds a very cool effect to it. Love it. But it's patterned. It's a patterned dress with flowers on it. It's a very cute dress. I don't know exactly where I would wear this to, but I mean, it is cute. Let's see what we got next. Alright, next. Ooh, this is an off-the-shoulder one. I can already tell this is going to be one of my favorites. It's got a little slit in the front there, if you could see it. There it is. And then off the shoulder with ruffles. There it is. Oh, this is going to be so cute. Look at that design on there. Alright, next thing that we've got here is this blue shirt with white lace in the front. It's cute. Simple but cute. Love it. Alright, I am seeing a little bit of denim. Something that maybe I could use with leggings. Almost looks like a men's shirt up until you get to this part right here. Alright. Oh, that's cute. I could totally wear this. Okay, next thing that we got here is another plain kind of hoodie. So cute! Look at this. It's got its cute little buttons. And it looks like it... Wait, where's the sleeves? So I've changed like rooms completely, so I hope you guys don't mind. But let's go ahead and finish what I already had going. Alright, next one that we got is this, well, it seems like denim, but it's white and it's a short sleeve. Also really cute. Alright, this one threw me for a little bit of a loop because it does have like a shredded collar, but that's honestly how it is all the way around. I hope y'all can see it. It's still a very cute shirt. Lots of turquoise. It's very sheer on the sleeves. very, very pretty, and then it kind of bells out towards the end. Okay, and this one looks like it's a rider's sleeve, but this is a button-up shirt, also long sleeve. Let's see what we've got here. I'm thinking that this might be a long shirt. Yes, it is. It is a striped shirt, kind of a wide-armed 3/4 sleeve, and then it's got a ruffled back. You can see that right there. It is really, really cute, and then it has a belt, and it's from Kato's. So that we've got is another blue shirt. It's not the same. I swear this one does not have white colored sleeves, but also very simple and very cute. I can tell this one's gonna be simple but very adorable. I think this one is also a 3/4 sleeve. Denim. I even think I remember seeing her wear this one quite a few times. It's very loved, very cute. Oh, it's like a little vest shirt. Oh, and it ties in the front. Cute. Okay, I'm seeing a green plaid. And I want to say that I think this is the last of the items. And she said that one of these might be a little scandalous. A little scandalous. A little scandalous. Okay, it's really pretty. I really do like this kind of material. And it goes to a black dress at the bottom. It does look kind of short. I mean, but not too bad. I think I could definitely make this work with some leggings maybe, or some tights. Really cute. This color I think is really pretty. Oh, I love it. It looks soft and definitely very pretty. Except I don't like tags that are like this because they're very like itchy, scratchy, but I might have to cut them off, and I hate having to cut off like tags off of shirts because I feel like in a way it brings their worth down, or it just doesn't. I don't know. I'm worried about it. Anyways, that was it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this hand-me-down haul. I love seeing pieces like this that can be given love once again, and I'm all about that. Honestly, I don't go shopping very often, so anything that's like hand-me-down, I'm so very happy to receive. I love to thrift. Anything thrifting, hand-me-down, I love it all. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, if you have any requests, please leave them down below. Bye.